Hello there! I want to make a little reminder tutorial for everyone who's struggling to start modding in OHD. So here we go. When Unreal Engine SDK is loaded, the first thing you have to do is to create mod. Open mod asset and save it. The next thing to do is go to modes, duplicate advanced and secure data asset, move your duplicate to your mods folder. Then you can rename your duplicated asset to your needs. The next thing to do is create child blueprint from game mode blueprint. And move that child blueprint to your mod folder. Then you should rename your child blueprint with prefix or any name that you want. And after that, open your duplicated data asset and refer your game mode blueprint and rename title to your desired one. You can also choose your game mode supports all maps, and don't forget to save your data asset. The next thing to do is to create a character child blueprint. And move that child blueprint to your mods folder. Then you should rename your child character blueprint to your needs. The next thing to do is to go to your mods folder, open your game mode blueprint, and in classes section refer your character child blueprint to be able to see the results of modded character child blueprint in Steam OHD and to see the modded results in Plane Editor. You also have to refer your character child blueprint in HD Assets Advanced and Secure Blueprint. Now open your character child blueprint in mods folder and to make cell functions connections, press open full blueprint editor. Remove all unnecessary cells, and for testing purposes create a simple print string function and connect to parent begin play event. Compile and save, and press left alt and P key together to see the results. In case if cell parent begin play doesn't appear, you can add it by right clicking and selecting add call to parent function. I hope my tutorial will help somebody, and thanks for watching.